bit early for that. Anyway, welcome back to the channel everyone, and today we're with Steve and we're down at the Untitled Beaufort, and it's a reservoir and we're fishing a match. We're on peg, what are we on, peg 18?
18, yeah.
Peg 18, and that's peg 19 next to us, which is the end peg, which we would have liked but we didn't get. Anyway, we'll have a quick walk round and we'll have a look at see what other people are doing. We're going to be feeder fishing at distance, and Steve's fished here before, so I'm relying on his expertise. So we're going to take a quick walk round into the sun. We're going to go and have a look and see what's happening around the lake. We can turn around, and the guys next to us, they've got 6 or 7 rods set up. One's enough for me. The dam is up towards this end. Now I think we'll turn off and film on the way back. Right, well, here's the dam wall, and that's peg 1, and Paul the organiser is on peg 2, and then Steve and I are right down the end there. Anyway, we've got still another hour or so, well, half an hour to go I suppose before we're off, and whilst I'm ready, there's still a lot of people tackling up. Not sure what that lot are over the other side, but I don't think they're part of our match today. Anyway, let's get back to the peg and see how Steve's getting on, and let's hope we get some fish.
I can normally tell by how soon the line goes into the water.
I just catch that line.
I don't that line. But it does take a long time for me to see the line.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? But at least you had something whilst I was at lunch. That worm again.
Yeah, I'll just stick with the worm now. I'll just pack in the feeder.
Purple or green? Proper one, Steve. Well done. Nice fish. Good bite.
Just little touches, but
Oh, you cheer me up.
there's a few. There's a few. Well, I've only caught one more fish than you.
I've only had 3. Alright. That's obviously got to be the way to go, isn't it? Well, I didn't think I did.
Yeah.
Well, I have got a fish.
There you go.
That's strange.
All them bites.
I'm sure this is well, it is a fish on here. I thought I maybe saw a twitch about 20 seconds ago,
Right.
and it didn't really strike, it just lifted into it.
I said the bites here are so set.
But I have been getting really heavy knocks. It must have hooked itself, practically. At least I hope it's a fish, not just reeling in a...
Good, it's a skimmer. Yeah, not very big one. Take it that was on worm.
Yeah. That hook must have been blunt, mustn't it? Don't know what's worse.
I'm on my third hook now, mainly due to breakages and knotting. So, and I lost one in the third, didn't I?
Was that a bite? It's not easy a bite, it's a bloody fish.
Jesus, get it in, mate. You've beaten me 5-4.
I think it might come off.
No!
No, it's still on. I've got to be quick getting it in, haven't I?
Yeah.
Don't think it's very big, but I have hooked something. Or have I? That's not sure if there's a fish on or not. Oh, there's definitely something on there.
Yes. Skimmer at the death.
Would you believe it? Last knockings, and it's the size of that little thing.
Mr. Halifax, your timing is impeccable.
Oh. No, well, I could just jump out. Bait's gone in. I'll go in.
You've got to worry about it now, have you?
Just again, tiny little touch, but with me a decent hook on.
No, I think that's it. Well, Mr. Halifax, you won that.
Well, I think yours will weigh more. I reckon I might have £1.5 pounds.
I might have a
I reckon you've got 2.5.
2.5, I reckon.
Well, it might be £3 because that perch was a fair size, wasn't it?
No, I don't think so.
Well, that's the end of our match today. Steve had 4 fish but weighed more than me, and I had the 5, the one right on the whistle. Oh. Right, I think you've got more than me, don't you?
I think weight wise.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, here come the team. 5 mil to beat, Steve.
5 kilos.
Yeah, that's what you
No
said.
chance.
No.
Might have 2 if we're lucky.
Yeah. Oh, I think that was just one way. The other bloke had more.
Sorry mate, we let you down.
Not very much at all between us. Steve's going to weigh him in and I'll
Okay.
catch the sorry pictures.
Do you want to do 2 nets or put them all together?
No, we can put them all together.
Let's see if I get that in. You got the front? Probably not. Okay, hang on a sec.
Steve's got more weight than me.
Oh, de toute façon, il n'y a pas paradis.
Oh.
Ouais. Les Anglais, c'est pas bon aujourd'hui.
Non, pas non plus.
No. 9 poissons. Thanks, Steve. Looks like they're still in there.
C'est plus gros que je pense que tu vas faire ça? Non, pas rien plus bas.
On est fait 7 ou 8.
Oui, mais on est gros quand même.
Ah ouais, on est fait. Moi-même que j'en ai fait.
There's another one in there, Steve. Halfway up.
Okay, up. Right, check that.
Right. That's your lot.
Après, là, il est bien.
What's the bad news?
2 kilos, 500 and shakes. 2 kilos, 540.
Oh. I thought that was 50, but I'll let you off.
2 kilos, 550.
Kilo, d'accord, j'ai compris là.
Voilà.
Merci.
Kilo.
Are we last? That's what we want to know.
I don't think you are, no.
Oh,
No.
2550.
2550.
oui. Le 50, c'est très important. A lovely venue, but bit of a learning curve. Anyway, if you have enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and we'll be out again this week somewhere with Monty the dog. So we'll see you all then. Thanks for watching.